The Nothing Phone 3 represents a radical shift in smartphone design philosophy that demands our full attention. Starting with the revolutionary Glyph Matrix interface, this device features 489 individually programmable LEDs that transform the back panel into a dynamic communication canvas. The system goes far beyond basic notifications, offering customizable visual patterns for contacts, animated countdown timers that resemble futuristic holograms, music visualization that responds to audio waveforms, and even interactive games like Digital Spin the Bottle. The newly added physical Glyph button provides instant access to various LED modes without navigating through software menus. Particularly innovative is the Glyph mirror function that cleverly utilizes the LED array as a makeshift flash for the front-facing camera. The camera system represents a monumental leap forward with its triple 50MP sensor array. The primary camera boasts an expansive 1/1 3-inch sensor with dual-pixel autofocus and optical image stabilization, delivering 35% more light capture than its predecessor. The periscope telephoto lens offers true 3x optical zoom at 70mm equivalent focal length while maintaining exceptional detail retention. Unique among smartphones is its telemacro capability, allowing sharp focus on subjects just 4 inches away. The 114-degree ultra-wide camera employs advanced pixel binning technology to minimize distortion at frame edges where most competitors fail. Powering this imaging system is the TrueLens Engine 4, featuring real-time HDR processing, AI-driven noise reduction algorithms, and computational photography techniques that rival professional editing software. Its night mode capabilities extend to incredibly challenging 0.5 lux lighting conditions, outperforming many human eyes in near-total darkness. Performance benchmarks place the Nothing Phone 3 firmly in flagship territory. At its core lies the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, featuring a 3.21 GHz Cortex-X4 Prime core capable of handling intensive workloads like 4K video rendering. Graphics processing is handled by the Adreno 825 GPU that delivers console-quality visuals in mobile games. Memory configurations include 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, expandable virtually to 24 GB through storage allocation. Paired with blazing fast UFS 4.0 storage offering 3.5 GB per second read speeds. Real-world performance enables simultaneous 90 frames per second gaming while screen recording, fluid multitasking across 4 applications, and instantaneous raw photo editing without latency. Thermal management is addressed by an enlarged vapor chamber cooling system that's 30% more effective than previous implementations. The display technology sets new standards for mobile visuals. This 6.67-inch AMOLED panel achieves an industry-leading 4,500 nits peak brightness with 1,600 nits sustained output, ensuring perfect visibility in direct sunlight. Its 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate dynamically adjusts from 1 to 120 Hz based on content requirements, while 2160 Hz PWM dimming significantly reduces eye strain during prolonged use. The 20:9 aspect ratio provides an optimal cinematic viewing experience, complemented by an under-display fingerprint sensor with an impressive 0.2-second recognition time. HDR content reproduction achieves reference-level accuracy, making it indistinguishable from high-end professional monitors. Battery performance redefines expectations for flagship devices. The 5150 mAh silicon-carbon battery chemistry enables remarkable endurance metrics, including 8.5 hours of screen-on time under heavy usage patterns and up to 30 hours of continuous video playback. Charging capabilities include 65W wired charging, achieving full replenishment in just 31 minutes, 15W wireless charging, and versatile 7.5W reverse wired charging alongside 5W reverse wireless charging. The IP68 certification provides peace of mind against environmental hazards, though practical water resistance remains subject to real-world conditions. Nothing OS 3.5, built on Android 15, introduces several groundbreaking features, including Glyph Composer for custom LED pattern creation, Essential Search with millisecond response times, minimalist Nothing widgets for at-a-glance information, and true parallel app operation through dual app mode. The company commits to an unprecedented 5 years of major OS updates and 7 years of security patches, ensuring long-term viability. Design elements showcase meticulous attention to detail, with the asymmetrical rear layout carefully engineered for optimal functionality. The camera module positioning achieves perfect weight distribution while glyph lighting zones are strategically placed for maximum visibility. The aluminum frame incorporates shock-absorbent corners, and the Gorilla Glass Victus construction provides durability without compromising aesthetics at 218 grams. Available in classic white and midnight black color options with 12 GB plus 256 GB $799 and 16 GB plus 512 GB $899 configurations. The Nothing Phone 3 begins pre-orders on July 4th with shipments commencing July 15th. This pricing structure undercuts comparable flagship devices by approximately $300 while offering several unique innovations. The Nothing Phone 3 stands as a compelling alternative for users seeking cutting-edge technology without mainstream brand premiums. Its camera capabilities rival dedicated imaging devices, the performance competes with gaming laptops, and the distinctive design language guarantees recognition. For consumers prioritizing innovation over convention, this device represents one of the most significant mobile releases of 2025.